Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting now. Unlock the iPhone and open Settings. Make sure the silent switch is off and Do Not Disturb is disabled so volume changes take effect. Next, open the phone app and either place or receive a call or play a ringtone to test. You do this because the handset's in-call volume and speaker settings only apply during active audio. Once done, you'll be ready to adjust levels and audio routing precisely for clear calls. While on the call, press the physical volume up button to increase in-call volume. Watch the on-screen indicator that says in-call. If audio routes to headphones or Bluetooth, swipe to open Control Center and tap the speaker or Bluetooth icon to force the iPhone speaker. Make sure the microphone isn't covered and that you aren't on low power mode, which can subtly affect audio. You do this so you isolate the source and get full loudness from the correct output. Finish by testing another call and, if needed, play a voice memo to compare speaker loudness. This shows whether the issue is in call only. If it's quiet, gently clean the speaker mesh. Debris muffles sound. Restart the phone and, if routing remains wrong, reset network settings to clear Bluetooth or carrier glitches. If none of these steps restore volume, contact support because hardware or software repair may be required. One key tip: always verify Bluetooth is disconnected before judging speaker volume.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.